welcome back to my baking vlog. This time I want to make myself some breakfast, so I'll share this with you guys. This is gonna be so easy because it's just mixing stuffs and noodles, which takes 15 minutes only. It's really convenient to make it the day before you need your breakfast. As usual, preheat the oven and prepare the mold before everything starts. So this time we use oil instead of butter because it gives the muffin a moisturized texture. And you don't need to take your mixer out and wash it after whipping the butter. Since oil and milk are two different substances that couldn't dissolve each other, we have to really blend them together to break the oil into smaller droplets, which called emulsion. Now add an egg and our sugar into the mixture. Now we're done with the liquid, so we'll add all the dry ingredients. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, our all-purpose flour, and our cocoa powder. It's easy to get lumps, so you can sift it before adding. Now we have to mix everything well and make sure no lumps of flour and cocoa powder. The mixture should be smooth after everything is mixed, and the last thing you have to add is your chunks or chips. Types and portions are all dependent on you. I use chocolate chunks because that's what left in my house, but I feel like chocolate chips taste better in muffin. Now don't forget to scrape the batter on the whisk as well as the side of the bowl. And check if there's no flour or anything stick to the bottom. And it'll be perfect to go. Our batter is pretty runny, so I would recommend using a scoop or a measuring cup to distribute it evenly. Normally we only fill the cup to 70% full, but if you want a beautiful dome like mushrooms, you can fill it until 90% full like my first 3. In the last 5 minutes, I took it out and added toppings.
I tend to cry and get overwhelmed by the things I feel inside. I can't help myself, it's just how I feel sometimes.
When it's done, don't receive it right away. Leave it in the oven with the door open for 10 minutes, so they won't deflate due to the sudden temperature difference. This is what it likes if you fill the cups to 90% full. It's like those I see in a cafe, so I really love it. And as you can see, the whole thing doesn't take so long. It was almost 3:40 when I preheat the oven. When I put it in, it's just 4 p.m.